Intraday calls generator. It's a automatic buy sell call generator. In this chart, automatically you will receive calls like a signal. For example, today it's a July 19 after 12 pm. We have received a buy call, so green signal, and above lines are first target, second target line, below red color line stop loss line. Our entry point line is that straight white line from green color candle. That is our entry point line. Buy at 45,617. First target, it's a more than a 100-point target. Second target, it's more than a 200-point target. Like this every day on daily basis, it will generate calls in live market. So it's a live market call generator. On daily basis, we are uploading video also, how it work in our channel. You can check in our channel buy sell signals. Today, buy call generated at 45,617. After 1.5 hours of market momentum, it started to break out 45,700 range. It's a 100-point breakout. Let's watch in option chart also. So you will have the idea about option chart. In direct option 45,600 call option chart, it's a weekly expiry, tomorrow expiring. And at 162, this buy call generator and market breakout all the way 210. It's a 50-point momentum. So like this, in at the money option, it has generated 50 points momentum at 45,600 call option. If you want this chart, if you want to subscribe for this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.